Hello Tech Explorers, it's slow mode in your Telegram group slowing things down too much. No worries, I'll show you how to turn it off in just few taps. First, open Telegram app and go to the group chat where slow mode is enabled. Now, tap on the group name at the top to open the group info. Next, tap the pencil icon at the top right corner and select Permissions. Here you will see slow mode slider. It controls how often members can send messages. Simply slide it to off, tap save, and no more delays in your chats. Do you prefer slow mode on or off in your group? Tell me in the comments below. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and drop the comments below. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.